Okay guys, this is a Lockwood that Alex Blate sent to me. He didn't send me a key, but it is 6-pin. He tells me that, and I also put the pick back there and counted them. So we're looking at 6 pins. I don't have any clue what's inside of here. Alex didn't give me any other information. So let's just see if we can pick her open, and then we'll gut it and figure it out for ourselves. Okay, Lockwood are famous for precision manufacture and no security pins, and we'll know that in just a minute. I've learned that with these Lockwoods you almost have to baby them. They don't like a lot of tension, just light tension, and just move back and forth looking for that binding pin. If you over tension it, because of their precision manufacturing, it seems like all the pins bind at once. So you just kind of, it's very light tension. If nothing else, the Lockwoods will teach you gentle and tension control. You know, after all this, I think I've only got about, oh, there we go. I was going to say I've only got a few of them set, but there we go. We got to open. Tell you what, why don't we go ahead and, we're only at 2 minutes, 2.5 minutes. Let's go ahead and gut it. I'm curious what we got in here. Get this junk out of the way. Okay. You know, I can't, I don't have a key, so I can't afford to relock it. Okay, we change the tip on the screwdriver. A flat tip. Okay, looks like a medium. Okay, the pins are up. There we go, there's 6 of them in there, so Alex wasn't lying. Let's see how bad he was setting us up though. Okay, there's a master wafer in 1, as well as the key pin. Same in 2, master wafer. No wonder this was so easy. There's master wafers in all of these. Except number 4. No, 5's got it. Alex, you got master wafers in all of these things. All these are standards. Standards. Standard. And that should be it. Alright, well, we are looking at That's a master. So we had master wafers in 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 6 cylinders. So I think a lot of you guys already know this, but with master wafers, it basically doubles your chances of being able to pick it. So we have a much higher chance of picking this one as easily as we did because of all these master wafer discs. Had there only been the drivers and the key pins, probably would have been a much more difficult pick. Anyway, there you go. Lockwood 6-pin SPP. Alright, everybody, thanks for your time. Stay safe and stay legal. Okay guys, a little addendum here. As you see, the old pins are here. I have replaced them all with something just a little bit more challenging. So if you think you would like a shot at this Lockwood and you're the first one to send me an email that says so, PM me your address and I'll mail this to you and you can give it a shot. Anyway, talk to you later.